past administration why we lost the Scarborough Shoal. I can take all the insults and mud and garbage. That is part of the territory of politics. Pero itong mga ganito na mawalaan tayo ng lupa, or at least whatever is under the water is lupa, it belongs to our economic zone. Why is it now that if it is an exclusive economic zone, we can no longer operate in that area? Ang mga fishermen natin are deprived. If it's really an exclusive, so somebody should tell me in the coming days how we lost the Scarborough Shoal. No, Trillanes went there 16 times. After the 16th visit, nawala ang Scarborough Shoal. Somebody has to answer for a lot of these things. Means the livelihood, food security of the Filipino people. And to me, it's treason. Yes, Bea, ay lumiliit na yung kamay mo sa hands up. Sige, bertikan mo na lang si CNN. Dito ka, tandaan na itong boyfriend mo. Liga dito ka. Make it fast. The ambassador of Japan is waiting for me downstairs. Dito ka, ibulong mo na lang, halika. Executive Adia Elgin, not yet. Executive Secretary, I think it's si Midaldia Bingbong. He's acceptable to all. He's the son of, his father used to be the provincial fiscal dito noon. About the time when my father was governor of this place. Then he went to be a justice of the Supreme Court. Anak ito siya. But he's good. He's good. Siya ang executive secretary. I would like to talk to Yasai. He said that he's only good for less than 1 year. So if that is the case, anyway, Alan might want it for himself, yung position na yan. Kung magtanggap siya na less than a year, acting secretary, I need not submit maybe his appointment to the commission appointments. I think I'll take him in. Ang sigurado dyan, si Bingbong, executive secretary, Panelo will handle the Malacanang press, and his designation is presidential spokesman. Then you have Tugadi, you have Sunny Dominguez, and Yasay Dominguez and Tugadi. I'm still awaiting for somebody to handle defense. Nandito niya. Gilbert Teodoro is coming in. I'll talk to him later. Sugot siya. The Secretary of Education is Peter Laurel, yung presidente ng Lyceum. Peter Laurel. Jess Doresa would handle the peace process, presidential, together with Bebot Belio. Belio would handle the communist side. Doresa will handle if he wants. Kung gusto lang niya, the president, yung pwesto niya dati kay Arroyo. I need young men, but I need men of expertise and wisdom. Yung fingertips nila yung problema. But I will create a commission right away. Mix Moro and Lumans and Christians. They will be the ones to explain the need to have a federal system. And lecturers, expert about federal system. After that, I will call for a constitutional convention. And I will ask the Filipino people about the need to have a federal system to save the country. If you have another bright idea, fine, I'd listen to you. Yes, it should be not later than 2 years. We will submit the issue for a plebiscite or a referendum. Hindi naman mag-ano, dali lang mag-frame ng ano. Actually, it's not in the framing of the words. It is in the matter of implementation and obeying what we have agreed on. And that is for everybody, the Christians, the Moro, and the Lumad. Let me see, I said. I still have to talk to the guy. I have always considered women in my life. Shut up. No, I'm not so particular about security because I can take care of myself. I do not even want them that are around my house. Kaya ako nag-iinit yung, hindi ako maksibat talaga. Hindi, alam mo na, kagaya ko. You have your, meron rin ako. Kasi kung sunod sa malaman, natuloy ng mga buwak. Kaya yung isang gabi talagang, pati si Inday Sara, I went to the house of my first wife. Abutan ko that she was in tantrum, si Inday Sara, kasi galit siya doon sa mga task force na nag-standby sa harap ng bahay niya. Pinaalis niya, tumago lang isang kanto. With more reason, pinainit nila yung ali, wala. Ako rin. So pagbaba ko, may police, may susa mo, priso. Si El Chapo ka, kung ganun. Drug, ano, lalo. Hindi naman ako si El Chapo. Who do you have to? I need it. I need it to combat crime and to deter. No? Nga pagkasabi mo, patay ka tapos isipin mo, talagang yung nandyan na, okay na lang yan. Patandain natin sila. So you die there, sleep there, Mona Lisa. You die there. You die there. Again, hindi ko nakuha mo. First 100 days, what do you mean, 100,000 bill? No, I will just do exactly what I promised. I am there to control or suppress crime. You cannot prevent all crimes because usually concubinates and adultery are committed in secret, in sub rosa. Those are crimes under the revised penal code which you can hardly stop. Kaya magsabi nila 100% impossible, talagang imposible. There are crimes which you cannot control. Si ma'am, nakahiya naman sa iyo, ma'am. Mapapatampuhin talaga itong babaeng to. Ikaw, ito yung tigira, ito ang inquiry. Sige na. If we begin the talks, I'm satisfied that we are dealing in good faith. I will call it Ross, and maybe consider releasing all political prisoners as part of the confidence building.
Mayor, nana kayo dito sa DOH Secretary for DOH Health and
Gusto ko si Dilima bumalik. Wala pa. Wala pa akong depende sa ay ma'am.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are sorry about the lack of time to respond to all your questions.
I have with us here now is si Ma'am Villar, Senator Villar. Coco, si Speaker ang idol ko, ang amo ko. Another Speaker in the offing. Another Villar.
We are now proceeding with the signing of the Coalition for Change agreement between the PDP Laban and the Nationalista Party. Please give way. Baba muna tayo lahat. We'll just proceed with this signing, and the mayor needs to attend to a lot of well-wishers. So we are really sorry that for lack of time, we cannot answer any questions.
We can resume after. I have to attend to the